How can we create videos from prompts in Zebracat AI? We select the prompt to video option to transform text into visuals. We click start with prompt to video and can choose a sample prompt. We can mix it up for different options. Let's pick Dubai as an example, the best spots, right? We can choose the video type with an avatar, AI generated or stock footage. Let's go with images. The avatar option is overused. We click next and get two scripts. We pick our preferred script, hit generate video, and it starts creating. They mention faster video generation is available with a paid plan. We can upgrade to a higher tier. It usually takes about a minute. Obviously this percentage is a bit misleading, so to speak. So let's take a look at the final result. Well, they're telling us it's not compatible. Let's see if that's true. Sometimes they say that, but it's not always accurate, right? And there we have the video. See, we've got the music, huh? The music is great and the subtitles are excellent. I really like how the images move, to be honest. I mean, it's really good. So yeah, I think it looks really good. The way it all works, it has that Zebracat AI watermark, okay? That watermark. As you can see, we have the voice here, which I assume we can change. The text is how we want the subtitles to appear. We can even set colors, font, size, okay? And more. We can change the music. Obviously, the music will be 100% copyright free. We have animations, which are basically the changes from one slide to another, and we have transitions. Animations play during the video and transitions are between videos, okay? And then we have elements if we want to add an emoji or something. So yeah, in my opinion, the video turned out really well, honestly.